and welcome to TripNavigo, a channel born from a passion for discovering the most beautiful corners of Europe. If you'd like to support us and help us create more travel guides, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks to you, we can grow our community and share even more travel inspiration. And now, let's embark on a journey to the heart of the Amalfi Coast, to the extraordinary town of Amalfi. Where is Amalfi, and what kind of place is it? Amalfi is a charming town on the Tyrrhenian Sea in southern Italy, located along the famous Amalfi Coast, the Costiera Amalfitana. It's in the Campania region, about 70 kilometers southeast of Naples. It clings to rocky hillsides, spills down in colorful buildings to the shore, and looks as if it were sculpted by an artist's hand. Today, Amalfi is home to around 5,000 people. Despite its small size, it holds immense historical and cultural importance. Where does the name come from and what's the town's history? The name Amalfi likely comes from a Roman girl named Amalfi. According to legend, she was loved by a Roman centurion. A romantic tale, isn't it? In reality, Amalfi existed in ancient times, but its golden age came in the Middle Ages. In the 9th century, it became a powerful maritime republic, rivaling Venice, Genoa, and Pisa. It controlled Mediterranean trade and was known for its sailors, mapmakers, and maritime law. As you stroll its narrow streets today, you can still feel echoes of its past glory. A must-see landmark is the magnificent Duomo di Sant'Andrea Apostolo, the Cathedral of St. Andrew. It houses the relics of the town's patron saint, brought here from Constantinople in the 11th century. The cathedral stuns with its Arab Norman facade, bronze doors, and grand staircase leading to Piazza Duomo. Inside, you'll find Baroque decorations, chapels, and a sense of sacred grandeur. It's not just a place of worship, it's one of the most beautiful sacred monuments in all of Campania. For more travel inspiration like this, don't forget to subscribe to TripNavigo. We have hundreds of guides to Europe's most stunning places. Chiostro del Paradiso, the cloister of paradise. Right next to the cathedral is another gem, the Chiostro del Paradiso, or cloister of paradise. Once a burial place for Amalfi's nobility, today it offers a peaceful atmosphere with elegant Arab-style columns and a timeless feel. As you step inside, it feels like time stands still. Sit down, listen to the silence, gaze at the palms and graceful arches, and reflect on the centuries of history held within these walls. What else is Amalfi famous for? Besides its history, architecture, and scenery, Amalfi is also the kingdom of lemons. This is where the famous limoncello liqueur is made, with an intense citrus aroma and flavor. You'll find lemon groves in the hills and in town, shops filled with local specialties, liqueurs, jams, even lemon-based cosmetics. Don't miss out on the lemon gelato, granita, or regional desserts. They taste completely different here than anywhere else. One of the most breathtaking ways to see Amalfi is from the water. A boat tour along the Amalfi Coast is a feast for the senses. From the sea, the town looks completely different, like a cascading painting of colorful homes clinging to steep cliffs above the bay. On such a cruise, you can also admire other coastal gems like Positano, Ravello, and Atrani. But it's Amalfi, with its cathedral view and harbor, that leaves the strongest impression. If you're planning to visit this part of Italy, a boat tour is a must. Unforgettable views guaranteed. Amalfi is more than just a dot on the map. It's a story of maritime power, spirituality, remarkable architecture, and awe-inspiring nature. If it's not already on your travel list, it should be now. If you enjoyed this video, leave us a comment about what charmed you the most about Amalfi, or if you've already visited. Subscribe to the TripNavigo channel, give us a thumbs up, and check out our website, tripnavigo.com, for more travel tips, guides, and discounts. See you in the next video.